Royal Challengers Bangalore, a team known for batting brilliance. But today we flip the script. Because behind every RCB win, there is a bowler who broke the back of the position. Here are the top 5 highest wicket takers in RCB's history, the unsung legends who turned games with skill, fire, and fight. From the moment Chell stepped into RCB squad in 2014, he was different. A former chess player turned wrist spinner, he didn't just bowl, he plotted dismissals. In pressure games, especially at Chinnaswamy, a nightmare for bowlers, Chell spun webs of magic. No matter the batter, Chell had the guile to trap them all, and with a strike rate under 18. Harshal Patel was not always in the spotlight, but when he returned to RCB in 2021, he exploded. 32 wickets in a single season, purple cap winner, and suddenly the IPL had a new death over king. Armed with slower balls, cutters, and nerves of steel, Harshal made Yorkers fashionable again. His 5 wicket haul against Mumbai Indians was a masterclass in variation and calm under fire. Siraj's RCB journey is an emotional roller coaster. Trolled in the early days for expensive spells, but he never gave up. He trained harder, focused deeper, and came back stronger. And then came the spell in 2020 versus KKR, 4 for 21, including 2 maidens in a row, the first ever in IPL history. That night, the world saw that Siraj was truly capable of. Whether it's the new ball or in the slow overs, Siraj brings fire, bounce, and heart. His passion is unmatchable, and so is his redemption story. Before the flashy stars and big auction buys, there was Vinay Kumar, RCB's original bowling general. He was not fast, he was not loud, but he was deadly accurate. With cutters, seamers, and Criczine brain power, Vinay delivered under pressure. His 80 wickets came at key moments, often breaking partnerships when it mattered most. He may not have grabbed headlines, but every RCB fan from the early days knows Vinay Kumar was pure gold. Legend, leader, genius. When Anil Kumble captained and bowled for RCB, the respect he commanded was next level. He was not just bowling leg spin, he was dictating terms. In just 51 games, he picked up 53 wickets, and let's not forget his economy rate, just 6.65 in a format built for big hitting. And then, that iconic spell, 5 for 5, the most economical 5-wicket haul in IPL history.